Lighting is up next at Home by Am. Now this project is going to span the next 4 episodes where we remove the old recessed light boxes, install brand new drywall, install a Schluter waterproof shower system. All of this is coming. This is recessed light install part 1. Okay, so currently this bathroom doesn't have enough light in it. We have 4 6-inch recessed lights that just don't bring in enough lumens. So our plan is to cut the old boxes out and replace them with 6 4-inch recessed lights to make it much brighter in here. I'm going to start by cutting out the drywall and then removing the boxes. Let's get started. These old style cans are huge. I'm trying to cut all this drywall down as small as possible. Keeping everything straight and square is going to make reassembly much easier later on. I debated for a while if I should remove the entire ceiling, but I think this is going to be a lot less work. At least I hope less work. Okay, I got the drywall out of the way and my old recessed light box is exposed. I'm going to get these boxes down now. We're going to try to reuse as much as the old electrical as possible. Now, one thing I will absolutely not have is frying myself. So I'm double checking everything even though I know the circuit is already off. In terms of the wiring, it looks like we're going to be able to reuse most of it and have little to no dead wires. So with the electrical sorted out, our next task is to figure out exactly where we want these lights. Okay, I figured out where to start. We're going to drill the first hole in the middle of the room and then play around with the placement from there. So I always say recessed lights don't have to be exact, they just have to look exact to the naked eye. With all my light locations marked, I'm going to start cutting holes with this 4-inch hole saw. This cuts super well, but you do have to hold steady because it likes to kick back. One down. 2 down. 3 of 6 holes cut. So these here are my favorite type of recessed lights. You do have to have the room above because they're kind of tall, but they're easy to install. They just snap onto the drywall and they're easy to assemble. So why did we not go canless? That's a question I asked myself, and I think it's because we really like the color of these lights, we like the look of them, and they're still really easy to install. From Michelle and I's experience, we found that 3000K from one brand looks different than 3000K from another brand. Now, while this may be a minor detail, we truly believe lighting is everything. It's all in the details. Now, Michelle and I come from automotive DIY, where the little details make a big impact in the final aesthetic. This bathroom model is our art and our vision. We want to get these lights in the perfect location to highlight all the finishes we have coming. I've got 2 of the lights in, but 3 of the remaining lights are where there's that drywall missing, where I took out the old light boxes. So I think the best way to do this is drywall the entire bathroom, then tape, texture, and cut the new holes and install the remaining lights. I think this way we're gonna get the cleanest drywall job, the cleanest texture job. So we're shifting focus next time to doing drywall in this whole bathroom. I'll be back soon. And this is why this is gonna become a 4-episode project. We got some big tasks ahead. Drywall's up next. Stay tuned.